Hello everyone! Today what I'm going to be doing for my 400 subscriber special is I'm going to be doing a full tour of all the elevators at the Sci Tech Centre and also at Old Mill Lane at the exact same time. Starting off with Sci Tech. And here it is. Who knows how busy it's going to get. I'm going to go up to 3.
This lift is going up. Doors closing.
This is the one at the Sci Tech Centre in Barnsley. And this is an old elevator that's been modernised by Curti in 2020. Capacity 8 persons, 63 kilograms. This one's hydraulic.
Floor 3.
Bit of a glitchy voice there.
Doors opening.
Here we are at 3, we'll go back down to G.
This lift is going down. Doors closing.
Oh, we're stopping at 2.
Doors opening.
You're going down, are you?
Yeah, ground floor.
Yeah.
This lift is going down. Doors closing.
I'm doing my video now because I've just had my dinner, so...
What time did you finish?
4. Well, I actually finished my lessons at 12:30, but I've just had my dinner now.
Ground floor.
Here we are back at G. And then we'll head on over to Old Mill Lane.
Is that where you're off to?
Yeah, I'm doing my full tour now.
Doors opening.
Well, see you later, Robert.
See ya. Now we'll head on over to Old Mill Lane. Right, now we come to the bigger elevator at Old Mill Lane. I'll wait for it until it comes down. Alright, here it is. I'm going up to 4. Which floor? 6 is...
Fucking button don't work, get out.
No, it's not working. I told the States.
I'm not walking up all those 16 flights of stairs. Absolutely not.
Doors closing.
Oh.
Oh man.
Going up. Doors closing.
I'm gonna go back to Sci Tech for a minute.
Yeah, I've already been in Sci Tech. Oh, we're stopping at G. Here at 4, and then I'll swap over to the other elevator. Right, so now here's the other one. This one does not go up as high as the other one. Here it is. There's the logic cabinet. And here it is. Now I'm going to go down to LG this time. Here are LG. And that's it.